30 years of manufacturing power, one name, HUAYUE ThermGlas. From raw glass to high-performance fiber, our fully automated lines ensure 100% consistency. From standard rolls to custom, engineered boards. We offer tailored dimensions facings and OEM packaging to fit your brand. We don't just follow standards. We prove them, tested for fire, water and time. Behind ThermGlas is a dedicated team of experts. We provide 24/7 professional support and clear communication for your global projects. Massive stock, flawless logistics. Your project won't wait, and neither will we. HUAYUE ThermGlas. Start your professional discussion with our experts today.